was just gifted this Life Balance mattress. This is the CE10T. It is their 10-inch supportive mattress, and I'm excited to put this to the test. Let's unbox it, and I'll show you all the details. Now, this is one heavy mattress in a box because this is a hybrid mattress. This actually has coils and foam. And when you get it, it does come with a cutter to open it up. I really appreciate that, as you definitely need to get through this plastic without damaging the mattress. Let's open it up all the way. It's expanding very quickly now. It's only been out of the box for minutes, and this is already exceptionally supportive. They recommend you wait at least 72 hours before sleeping on it so it can fully expand and be at its best. But what makes this mattress amazing is that it is made in the USA. It is CertiPUR certified. It has motion isolation. So as I'm bouncing here, my cats are wiggling just slightly. I'm putting a lot of weight on it, but they're not moving much. And on the edges, it doesn't go down like memory foam mattresses do. And that's because this has multiple layers, and I can feel the springs, and then there's the foam, and it's not feeling like springs on the top. It's very, very supportive. I can't wait to try this out in 72 hours and see how nice it is then. I'll be back. Now, this is the memory foam that is currently on my daughter's bed that we're about to replace, and I want to show you some of the differences here. This is a 7-inch mattress, so it is shorter, but the main thing is it's much softer. It dips in on the corners. It's not as supportive since it doesn't have those hybrid coils. When I lay on this mattress, I find that I get uncomfortable only about 5 to 10 minutes in. It just feels like I'm floating weird. It doesn't actually support me in the way I want. So my arms are a little higher than I expect. My hips go a little deeper than I want them to, in a way that actually feels like a divot. And over time, my back actually hurts quite a bit when I lay on this mattress. My daughter doesn't notice, but that's because she is young. So this mattress has been working for her, but we are going to level up with the Life Balance mattress. Let's switch them out. Now, I've given this the time it needs to fully expand. I would say that most people are not going to wait 72 hours, and I really don't think you need to. It doesn't have a smell. It's supportive right out of the box. Just know that it may take a few days before it gets all the way to where it's supposed to be. And you can tell immediately the difference. It is taller since this is a 10-inch mattress. That's going to give it a lot more support along with the springs. One thing I really like about this mattress is that while the edge goes down, when I really push on it, it really holds in place otherwise. So if I am just sitting on the side of this mattress, it is not really dipping in at all. It's really nice. It does have a bit of a bounce, and my kids were definitely taking advantage of that as I had it laying out flat, using this to jump on. And it has no noises whatsoever. The springs are super supportive. What I love right now is that no part of me feels like it's dipping in an unnatural state. I just feel fully supported. There's no extra movement. It feels so nice. I can definitely feel the layers of memory foam on the top, and that the coils are supporting me as well. I am quite impressed with these hybrid mattresses. They are such a step up from both the original spring mattresses and the all foam mattresses, especially the mattresses in a box, because these combine the best of both, giving you that spring bounce and support along with that really inviting memory foam. This is one really nice mattress, and is definitely going to spoil my daughter in a way that she didn't know that she was missing out on. And if you are looking for a mattress, whether it's a twin size all the way up to a king, you are going to love this Life Balance mattress.